Cleaning the filters on your Shark corded ultralight is easy. Your vacuum comes with 2 pre-motor filters and 1 post-motor filter. Before performing any maintenance, be sure to unplug the vacuum. First, remove the filter cover from the top of the handheld vacuum to access the pre-motor filters. Then, remove the post-motor filter from the base of the handheld vacuum. To clean the filters, hand wash them with water only. Rinse the pre-motor filters once every month. Rinse the post-motor filter every 9 months. Let the filters air dry completely, at least 24 hours, before reinstalling them. For the pre-motor filters, be sure to install the felt filter first and the foam filter second. Lastly, place the dry post-motor filter back into the handheld vacuum and reattach the cover feet first to close. Now, you can get back to cleaning. For additional support, visit sharkclean.com.